Mostly get lots of requests each time I post bulk jollof rice I make for customers. In today's video, I share with you how I made this beef jollof rice with chicken that feeds 10 hungry people. Happy new month and a very warm welcome to my channel. In here, we share lots of amazing recipes I know you'd love. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Helen. Do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So the chicken has already been marinated overnight with some green marinade, some pepper, and then some seasoning. And I'll be listing them for you to see. In a pot, I'll add the chicken and then some gizzard, and I'll add some extra hot pepper because the one I'm making this for wants it really hot. And I'll mix everything thoroughly and cook for roughly 15 minutes because I'll be air frying it. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. In a different pot is my neatly washed beef. I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of green marinade, some crushed chilies, all pepper seasoning, and then some beef seasoning. Now mix everything up. This is a very soft beef, so I'll be cooking it for 20 minutes maximum. And then our chicken is ready after 15 minutes. As I said earlier, I'll be air frying it, so I'll just turn it off and then I'll cook the beef for 20 minutes. So the beef is properly cooked after 20 minutes, so I'll set it aside. And with the chicken, we are done with first batch, and then I'll be air frying the second batch. So in here we have our beef, which I'll be frying until it's golden brown. If you're still here and then you're enjoying it, please don't forget to like and then share to others. Our beef is done, so I'll just remove it and then set aside. In a new pot, I'll add my jollof stew base, and then in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this. So I just added some tuna because the meal we are no there. I added some extra pepper and then I fried for like 5 minutes maximum, and then I added my rice. The rice I didn't really measure because minim dodo am a fire between a 10 people. But so upese mature, just let me know in the comment section. I'll just make a short video on that on Instagram or on TikTok. And me saying that I'm very active there, so do follow. So I've been toasting this rice for like 7 minutes maximum. So I just added some meat stock. I used 2 ladles of the beef stock and then a ladle or two of the chicken stock, and then I stirred everything together and I added like a cup of hot water and then some salt. The hot water is just gonna speed up the cooking process, and I just covered the rice with some foil. And if you realized I didn't add enough water, I just added 1 cup because jollof rice and pain soup. You don't need too much water when cooking jollof rice. All you need to do is to lower your gas, and I mean low. The gas should really be low. It's the vapor that's gonna help cook the rice. So when I'm making jollof rice and then I don't really love the color, I just add some of the stew base in between and then turn it over. So in total, I would say I cooked this jollof rice for like 50 minutes maximum because it was on a very low heat and I say ebeshi. So I've already prepped my vegetables for the jollof, and our chicken is also ready, and jollof is also ready as well. I'll just set aside so we move to the next episode. If you know me, you would know that I don't really love or like soggy vegetables. My vegetables are emery. So whenever I'm making jollof rice after cooking, I just prefer to just stir fry my vegetables separately and then I'll add it. So in a pot, I just added some oil and then I added my carrot since that one is hard. I added some gizzard and then the beef, stirred for a while, and then I added my rice. So like I said earlier, the one I'm making this for Nenumionide. So I added some corned beef as well. And then once I add the bell peppers, I just off my fire. Now I come my papa and they really enjoyed it. But I was able to film this process because I made this video on a day I mostly rest. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.